How old are you?
23.
23.
Yeah. Alright, this next part is looking at your heart.
Watch as these officers use brutal force to retain fleeing suspect.
Get up! Get up!
Hands by your back. Hands by your back. Watch your hands. Watch your hands. Watch your hands. Watch your hands. Watch your hands.
Watch that hand. Watch that hand.
Give it up. All right, we got it. I got it. Got hands. Got hands. Got hands. Got it.
Yeah, handcuffs?
Yep. Don't you move, motherfucker.
You good?
Yeah.
Roll to his right, roll to his right, and we'll search for guns.
Nice job, guys.
Rescue?
Yeah.
Call your man up here, they're standing by right now. He is
Good job,
clear.
fellas.
Is this car clear?
We'll contact Clay County and let them know.
It's clear, it's clear, I cleared it.
Yeah, it's fucking nice still on top of
You have
it.
a trunk pop?
Don't even think about it.
Have them stand by. Let me secure this location.
Back inside the conduit.
JSO. All the JSO dudes good?
Search
Yep.
Get ready to go bang on the door. Is there anybody inside that house? Is there any women or children inside that house?
Hey, we got something.
Are you sure? Are you please? Because I don't want them to kick the door and I don't want anybody to get her. Is she inside the house? Okay.
What is the situation? Else
No, I got rescue coming.
It is.
We're working on that now.
I couldn't hear you.
We're working on that now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'll explain to that later. I need to know whether or not children
Sir, you on?
That is?
Okay.
I don't know. I'm going to take it back here to Lauren.
All right.
Don't have a block of sand because we're going to have to leave the
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Hey, if you're not already, can you bring a vehicle out here for 10-16, please? Yes, sir. Officer, 1051 to you.
I need to know.
Yeah, I got rescue right here. They're about to check you out. We have a marked JSO car.
They're coming.
Sean, is there any women or children inside your house?
It's not my house.
Whether or not it's your house or not, that condo that you just left. We want any of the kids to get I know you just walked out of there, okay? I know this for a fact. I need to know whether or not there are women or children inside that house or condo.
I don't know who's there.
Is there a possibility that somebody's in there?
I don't know.
Okay, I'm going to treat it like there's people there.
757, 147.
Can you stand me up, please, bro?
Just a second, I got rescue. Gonna check you out as soon as they check you out. As soon as they check you out and everything.
Please,
What you want me to
stand me
do?
up, bro.
I can't right now until after they check you out. Come to look at you. Where's rescue at? Rescue's right here to check you out.
What I want?
Sell it drugs.
What sell?
That's something we can talk about after they check you out. Okay?
How's it going?
You gotta arrange your rights and stuff.
Hi.
Okay? Hello.
Hi.
Just getting checked out.
Okay. All right, let me get the monitor. I didn't realize there was somebody over there. So
yeah.
we get the monitor.
I can't answer that. I can only. I need to know about who's inside that house that you just left. You have a search warrant. They're about to go
done either.
I don't have a clue.
Alright.
I don't mind doing that. Okay, they're gonna check you out. They gotta check you out first.
Do everything, I guess, before we.
I don't mind. I will make that phone call for you. I don't mind doing it, but I need to know who's inside that house. If there's nobody
Put this arm out a little bit away from their body.
But if there is somebody inside that house, you'll get a lot about it. Yeah, let them check you out first, and I'll get you up.
No. Stand me up, bro.
You got gloves I can grab for some of us?
Yeah, in the back there. Like, what's that?
Just some gloves. I just need a few for us. Chris.
Yeah, they'll give me some rags and stuff. I get you going. I appreciate it.
Sean. Give me a second.
No, Sean, wait. Stay still. Stay still.
Sean.
Let them check you out first.
Hey, for that thing to work right, stop.
I'm not gonna run, but I promise.
No, I'm.
Sean, you gotta stay still.
You gotta stay
You gotta stay still. You gotta stay still.
Hey, if he gets up, tase him again.
Damn.
I got it.
Do not move.
Fuck.
You gotta
Wipe my face.
Yeah.
Can you wipe my face? This side or left side?
This side?
Yes. But alright.
Better?
Can you talk to me, bro?
I got you. You good?
Yes. Can you let me get me up?
Hold on.
Hold on. They're gonna check your vitals real quick, then we're gonna get you up.
I'm just putting some stickers on you, alright? It's just gonna look at your heart. That's all.
You can just put it on his chest.
Do what?
Just put it on his chest. Chest and abdomen.
I'll take this out of here.
Right? Yeah. Ready to go into the bag. You're right, please.
I sent 2 probes.
I sent 2.
Yeah.
I think somebody else did 2. But you only sent 2.
I sent 2.
You sent 2. Okay, I had 2.
You gonna let me talk to my girl?
I will. I don't mind doing that. Is she at home?
I don't know where she
You know what number I'm talking for? Is it in your phone?
I really don't. I want to.
I got you.
I'm just writing it down for him.
I don't know what number.
You don't know or not.
Is it in your phone? How do you want to call her? Let me ask you that question. That makes sense? How do you want to call her? That's fine. You know the number? Okay. I don't mind doing that. That's fine.
That's probably just a leader.
Yeah. I got it.
Or you wanted them to tase me again, bro?
Yeah, I got you the first time. I got you over the car a little. Well,
Trying to run.
you weren't listening though.
I was
You know.
scared, bro. Y'all didn't have to beat me up, bro.
See what I got.
I got 6 more stickers. They're gonna go on your chest.
I just want to get up. I just want to talk to my people, man.
Just give us a couple more minutes.
My face fucked up. What is that? FBI?
Try to stay still for me, okay? Because it keeps timing on your blood pressure.
Oh, my knee hurts.
I got a sales
How old
card.
is he?
Huh?
How long?
Deshaun, how old are you?
23.
23.
Yep.
Yeah.
Alright, this next part is looking at your heart. You have to sit real still for it to read properly, okay? It just takes a few seconds. We'll let you know when you can
So
move
I'm
again.
going to the county or the Fed?
I'm on the county.
In the Feds.
That's up to them. I got nothing to do with them. I can only speak for
This hurts really hard.
Y'all recording me? Y'all recording me?
Yeah, I got my body camera on.
I'm saying like other
Considering what
stuff y'all
happened,
be doing.
Probably not too crazy.
That I don't know. They might be. I don't know.
Hey, you gotta stand real still. Oh yeah, the kid's in the back.
Before y'all take me, can you let me make a couple phone calls?
I got
His heart rate's like
Please
really high.
don't let them take me down there without calling nobody, bro.
Please.
Please,
I don't mind.
can you do that for me?
I got
Very high.
I got to read you your rights and stuff.
He's freaking out.
Yeah.
You let me know every. Well,
I can only let you know so much, okay? All right. After that, like I said, I got to read you your rights. It's very important now.
Man, just got a new
When
call.
you left your
That's
house,
not
if you
taken.
left,
Yeah. His blood
There's
pressure's
nobody
good. His heart
inside that
rate's
house except
really
there's
high.
nobody
I
inside.
don't think nobody in there.
140 side?
Anybody?
140 side?
Alright.
Okay.
That's about me getting out of bed.
I know you've been home for a while, sir.
Yeah. It's better than it was.
Okay.
I was worried because the other blood pressure
Who
was
lives there
high,
with
so
you?
then- It's fine. It's fine.
Okay. There's a bunch of y'all that live there? Okay.
I don't live there.
You're right.
Barry, is there a car?
On the way.
If we have to use this,
Oh.
Oh my god.
Yeah, we'll clean those up.
That's okay. I don't mind wiping it down and stuff. That's what we do, but
I mean, we're gonna have to put them in like a bio, a little baggie. But y'all have a bio baggie in y'all's.
I'm just like still on my thing.
If you pull them apart, like if you just pull them.
It's just like,
Yeah.
They all just break them.
Yeah, they break off real easy.
Okay.
Can you stand me up?
Yeah. As soon as they get all that stuff off of you, I got you. Just get the details.
I'm not that kind of. Bro, you know me, bro. You know I'm not. You can help me
Oh,
out.
I got you.
hold on.
You guys just want us to stay here when you go. Are you going? If they already go.
yeah, they've already went down there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sergeant,
So do you want us to head that way? Is that
I'm
what
not
you
a
said?
sergeant.
Or just stay here?
Chief said
All right.
Yeah.
You want to stand up?
Yeah, you stand up.
All right, put your feet up. Put your feet like you. Yeah, there you go. All right, hold on. Oh, yeah, they're trying to get all the tasers off here. Yeah, let me just rip the bottom ones. Oh, yeah, go ahead. There you go. Do you have any more that you know of, like that went in you?
I don't know.
Nothing besides. Hold on, I'm just
Beat
gonna,
my face like that, bro.
hold on, I'm gonna check.
Damn.
That's what I'm pulling.
That's that one.
I think
All right.
Hold on.
Don't step on the probes.
Can I look at my face in the mirror?
Hold on.
Put your shoes on.
I'm not trying to run, bro.
No, you're good. We're trying to
You
get
ain't gotta
your
hit
shoes
me, bro.
on.
All right. Can you lay against this door?
Let me see if I can put these in here. Hey, can I put these biohazard taser cartridges in like a container that y'all have? I don't know what y'all's policy is. All right.
I know y'all. Y'all take find something. I don't know, bro. They ain't have to beat my bit.
We can put you on that side. We don't have cars to put you in.
You know?
That's on the way. You want to on that side of the car?